personalities arriving in liquid form, like Wait, Wait, Don't Tell Me, Cabernet Sauvignon. The NPR Wine Club is a delicious way to support NPR's programming. If you're 21 or older, uncork your special offer at nprwineclub.org.
She was on stage, she was in the movies, she was a recording star, so she's a superstar.
Oh my God!
He basically doesn't.
Manual recording will now start.
Holy
press releases full of.
wow!
So this is dated December 24th, Christmas Eve, 1921.
This lady's freaking out on me.
No, I need to do a video. I need to do a video on this person.
I was splitting traffic and she was putting on her makeup while she was driving, and now she's calling 911.
I'm sorry? I'm checking. 1600 South, there's a gas station here on the street.
People are screaming at her because of how crazy she was driving through traffic to catch up to me, to yell at me because I told her she shouldn't put on her makeup while driving.
You were yelling at me.
Do you want the address?
I was looking at myself.
We're on the corner of 1600 South and State.
I'm sorry.
This lady's freaking the out, dude. She's gonna kill somebody, dude. I'm 100% waiting for the cops. So 911 told her to drive away from me, and now she's driving at me. Look at this. 911 told her to leave. Backing up into the shade, and this lady's trying to yell at me to stop. The 911 operator said you should go. I'm literally not harassing her. She's following me.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Idiot. Why would you do that?
Yep, I knew it. If I got her license plate, I'll put that one on the internet.
Do you want to be on Dashcam Time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video description. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information about your incident, and then submit. It's really that easy.